Direct, timely, and aggressive crew response to smoke and fumes of known or unknown origin is the key to minimizing risks and operational consequences. Studies have shown that the crew may have from 15 to 20 minutes to land the aircraft if a fire signal is left unattended. On the other hand, fire can reach uncontrollable levels in a question of minutes. Experience indicates that the crew should plan for an immediate descent and land at the nearest suitable airport after the first indication of fire. One could evaluate whether to continue the flight, considering the confidence in identifying the smoke source, the success in extinguishing the fire, systems functionality, passenger distress, and many others. Considerations like the structural integrity and environment survivability were predominant for defining the specific procedure as they are stated in a QRH. The crew should establish cabin communication and don protective equipment before initiating any procedure associated with smoke or fume elimination, in accordance with approved procedures. Pilots should notify the flight attendants to prepare the cabin occupants for an emergency landing and evacuation, and, if appropriate, while assisting in fighting the fire. Do not open the cockpit door unless it is necessary. It will prevent contaminating the cockpit. When a flight crew determines the smoke is coming from the air conditioning system, the procedure stated in the QRH requires the crew to determine which is the bleed pack side responsible for introducing contaminated air into the cabin. If smoke is suspected to be supplied by the engine oil, check abnormal engine parameters to correlate it with the odor. Once the source is isolated, the remaining one will continue to supply fresh air for the passengers and crew. When the smoke is confirmed as of electrical origin, depowering buses or equipment sequentially and leaving that equipment off will eliminate the source of smoke. More specifically, if flight crew identifies a windshield overheating and inhales burning odor from it, do not waste time and shut windshield heating off.